Hey, welcome back. Playing some more Super Auto Pets. I'm clean shaven. I'm using RTX voice. There's just so many upgrades here. We can make lots of noise in the background, and we're gonna be I don't know, the adorable, the lush bushes. Like logically, it's the only title that makes sense. No, I am like constantly my pets are making tons of noise, and when I was editing and looking at previous videos, they were making noise in the background. I kind of felt annoyed by that, so should have had RTX voice on earlier, but rather late than never. We are actually going to keep everything separate here for right now. All right. That was a fast, quick turn. This feels pretty strong. There we go. That will clear that. That will clear that. And we're going to have a 4/4 fish to end. That's pretty good. We're going to do this play here. That is pretty dang good. We'll combine that. Put that there. Put that there. No. That works. Is this order good? Yes. Don't want to combine yet. Didn't have the gold to really do anything there. What? That value? Extremely good trade. Wow. We tie. I felt like that person got lucky there. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying anything, but I'm saying something, you know? This is like absolutely worthless, I feel like. Not a big fan. But it's probably better than nothing. That's okay. I don't mind that. Alright, we immediately sell it. That lasted all of 2 seconds, huh? I was like, well, I mean, it is a tier up. It is plus 2 HP. It probably sticks around 1 turn. Immediately gets rid of it. Very gold efficient. It's gonna be a draw. So many draws in this expansion here. With the new units. This is pretty sick. This is kind of a weird turn. We just kind of invested in the things we already had. Which I always liked this play. That was nutty. And we lose. Mostly because we actually didn't get any stat increases anywhere. We just invest more in what we have. This works pretty good in standard because there's not really a whole lot early that can like absolutely wreck you. But I am getting punished a little bit for my actions. Alright, we do take that win. After not doing anything. We invested in it. I do think we sell it. Always value in Jan your turtle. Stronger. Buy 1 tier. I want this to be good. It's not. Especially with my current build. Alright, what do we got here? We got a 3-drop, a 2-drop, a 1-drop, a 3-drop. Could keep that 5-drop. A 1-drop. That is my 1-drop, though. Poodle seems good. We shall keep the poodle. It's a lot of stats. It's pretty great scaling this early. That's going to be a fantastic trade for me. Nice. We will play that. That gives us a little opportunity to pivot. We will play that. I'm not just to sit there and roll and not do anything, so... We are looking for that last ant. At this point, because we're poodle in here, looks like we might have a big ant here. What am I looking for? An ant. Found it. Alright. Dragon. Lots of 1-drops. We got money. Don't need this anymore. Because we have to make room. More 1-drops. Awesome to see. We will freeze that. That's 4/4. But, no, I'm not going to freeze it. Do a little something like that. Alright, we got Dragon Build going. Dragon builds are sometimes okay. That was really good for me. Alright, we are gonna lose this. That's a big rooster too. That's a pretty crazy build. A lot of early strength here. Alright. We just got speed run 1-drops now. We love to see it. I think I just go ahead and do it. This will become an 1821. It's hilarious that usually, you know, you're looking for a dog or a mammoth. But no, our strongest unit. That was really nice. We are gonna be okay here. Our strongest unit is our turtle. We're chunky boys now. That's awesome. That is kind of crazy if I want to sacrifice money. But I don't. That's also pretty interesting. Sweet mother. That money. All right, let me think this through here. I feel like I just combine it, right? Just go for the level 3. I was like, well, I can keep them separate. I think keeping separate's a bad idea. That was, did we lose last round? We absolutely did not add any value there. Bad trade. That splash damage was pretty good. That was a level 2, wasn't it? Nope. We lucked out. It was only level 1. Okay. We are trying to combine. A little sad there. Make sure the order's right there. That was a pretty nutty turn. A lot of stats there. So this will match this now. That is okay. Didn't move anything back there. You might as well have big units up front. We're going for the gotta make lots of room here, apparently. That's actually like kind of a legit play. That was pretty sick. Looking for a chocolate. Looking for 1-drops. Misplayed. You didn't see that, I promise. Please don't bully me. I would say it's worth it. We're just gonna flip the order there. I'm liking this. I'm not too worried. That's a scary dog. That will be a trade, and then this will clear the rest. Nice. Looking for 1-drops. Melon, that's good. Game, please supply 1-drops. Thank you. Level 3 dragon doing work. It is arguably better. Maybe we get lucky. This is extremely helpful. Definitely do not mind that at all. That's also a level 2. That will clear that. And that will clear that. That high damage is so good. Okay. Keep rolling. 1-drops. Where you at? Keep going. One more roll. We use that on anything? Not really. 1-drop. 1-drop. Roll. 1-drop. 1-drop. Well, we don't need that many, right? Because we're going to get to 50/50s with just 2 of them. That's fine. It doesn't cost anything. We will be looking now for some other level utility or support. Like another turtle, like just in the back would be really nice. All right, we're at 9 wins here. And then 1 more, right? All right, 50/50s. It's been a... I have not been able to do this in a hot second. All right. Misplayed there. Could put this in front of everything, right? That still just have melon armor. That's kind of a counterplay. I don't know if it helps at all, so everything is just a 50/50 now. All right. It's possible the other player will also have a similar build. Well, this is actually a great counter to that. That's only a level 2. So we actually got rid of the melon armor. And we do get melon armor, so we do have the advantage here. And it looks like we're going to come up with a win here. 50-50s, 100 in stats at the end. That's a big brain move here. Mostly, I was putting the amiibo there to counteract anyone that would be playing melons. So whether a melon through a turtle or just melon via what they had, because it was really common to see like a 50-50 melon dog or something to start with. And that would completely counter that. So I had to think that through a little bit. That was actually a really good counter. So awesome. Awesome to see it actually work out that way. That was awesome, though. Just amazing amount of stats. 200 in stats. Haven't had a game like that in a while. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.